Hi, this is Jill from Young at Heart Designs. Today I'm going to be creating a Dollar Tree makeover, a seasonal makeover. I found this frame at Dollar Tree. Loved the frame. Was not crazy about the Halloween holographic insert, but I wanted to use the frame. So what I did was I took it all apart, cut out the noisemaker that was within the frame, and painted it red from Krylon spray paint because I felt like that would be quicker and easier than just painting on all those nooks and crannies, and let that dry really good. And then once it was dry, I got out my Deco Art gold leafing that I just rub on with my finger to hit the high points. If you have rub and buff, that would work too, but I tend to use this from Deco Art. It does, after a while, it does dry out as you get low. I haven't figured out a way to reconstitute that yet, but I do like the product. Once it's dry, then you can go back over it with a dry towel and just rub it to, make it shine a little bit brighter. Once this was done, I took that holographic picture that was inside. It's on a thick piece of plastic, and decided I would use that to be my base for what I wanted to put on. So I gave that a good coat of Dixie Belle chalk paint. This is the color Caviar, and I believe I gave it about 3 coats. Let that dry really well. Have to be a little bit careful because it is a piece of plastic, and so if you're using a heat tool to kind of help you get that paint dry, then you need to be careful not to get it too close because it will warp. One corner almost warped on me, and I realized what was happening and was able to stop. And then once that was all dry, I took it outside and used the Krylon triple thick clear glaze. I got this at Walmart, and gave it a good coating, because my next step is going to be a transfer from IOD, the Kitchy Christmas. And I know that I've heard that the transfers prefer a slick surface. And I wanted to make sure that the chalk paint did not, come up as I was rubbing on it. So I looked through my Kitchy Christmas transfers, and I found some garland to fill in the edges. And then I'm also going to be using the really cute snowflake. The transfers come with a little rubbing tool that you can use, and you just simply rub, lift, and if you see there's a place that did not transfer, you can go back and rub over it. And so it's really simple. You just rub and kind of lift back, make sure that all your pieces are where they're supposed to be and that you didn't miss anything. And I just lift up a little at a time. He's so cute. The Kitchy Christmas designs are kind of those old-fashioned designs. Then I assembled it all together. And what do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts on this, and if something you might like to do. And give me a like and a follow and all that good stuff. I would love to be creating more things for you. I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, or whenever you're listening. God bless.